Hi guys, so I have a grocery haul for you. It's kind of a random mismatch right now because I am actually doing a huge freezer cooking this weekend. So I am actually trying to stock my freezer with a bunch of easy meals. So first off, I got both of our beers and they actually had my Pepsi on sale and I was getting low, so I actually ended up getting it from our local grocery store instead of Sam's. And let's get going. I need bananas. Needed small tortillas. We're going to do tacos one night this week. Robert, leave the potato buns alone. You're going to squish them. I got potato rolls, hamburger rolls, hot dog rolls. I got 2 of each. Ketchup. I did that. We were out of the little peanut butter crackers. I needed 2 things of cream of mushroom, mustard, salsa, lettuce, peas and carrots, meatballs, my coffee, 2 things of Pepsi for my husband. And I did not have to get any of his 6-packs this week because I actually went to the store on Monday to pick up a few things for a party we were going to, and they had a big display, so I ended up picking up a bunch of them. I think I actually have like 2 weeks worth. So I didn't have to get any today. I got bacon cheddar burgers. I needed 10 pounds of ground turkey, tater tots. I got 4 things of kielbasa, some juice, 2 things of hot dogs, and mozzarella and cheddar cheese because I am going to be making, let me get my list. Alright, so the hamburgers and hot dogs, I'm obviously not going to be cooking. They'll just be an easy meal to have, along with the kielbasa because I just throw that in my crock pot and it's really easy. Hold on a sec. Robert, you're going to squish the buns, baby, okay? You don't need any coffee right now. No coffee for you. And then I'm going to be making 2 things of chicken broccoli and ziti, and I actually have all the ingredients on hand. I'm going to be making a tater tot casserole, sloppy joes, and American chop suey, and I'm going to have those all ready to go in my freezer, just either need to be warmed up, or the tater tot casserole I'll probably have just ready to go to bake. So yeah, so that's what I will be doing on Saturday, but this is what I needed. That wasn't already in the house because, as you've seen, I've been buying a lot lately, so I had a lot here. So yeah, so this is what I need. Kind of small, but not that bad. So yeah, I'm going to get putting all this away.